My neighbor insisted on her dog meeting mine after I repeatedly told her mine wasn't friendly. Last night, I was walking my rescue dog who is fearful of humans due to past abuse. A lady with her dog stood in our path. Despite my warnings, she kept approaching us. I said, hey, she is not friendly. Her, my dog doesn't care, he's nice. Me, mine is not nice, she was abused as a puppy. Her, he really wants to meet her. Me, she doesn't trust strangers. Her, she looks sweet, let them meet. Me, no, she's not friendly and growls at strangers. We'd like to finish our walk. Her, just for a second. Me, please stop coming closer. Her, well, the dog seems happy and nice, I can't say the same about her owner. Me, okay, thanks. I decided to walk away after that. All I wanted was for my dog to exercise without risking a lawsuit or euthanasia. It's not hard to understand that my refusal wasn't to be mean. Even if my dog were friendly, I wasn't in the mood for a conversation.